you how to make your very own homemade chocolate chip cookies. None of that store-bought stuff. We're going to make the real deal Holyfield right here in this kitchen. So go ahead and like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so every time I put out an awesome video, you'll be notified on the spot. Also, before you head out this video, head over to my online store, softlush.com. I sell lovely lady apparel, y'all. So, and I also got a 10% discount going on with your email as we speak. So if you want to get some discount and save you some money, go ahead and head over there today and buy you some lady apparel. It's on all new arrivals only. So let's jump into this video. Alright, so we're going to start with our ingredients. We have brown sugar, butter, salt and baking soda, sugar, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, and we have also our chocolate chips here. I got Toll House chocolate chips. Okay. So first we're gonna take a small bowl and we're gonna mix in our flour and our salt and baking soda together. Stick it in there. And this is Himalayan pink salt, by the way. If you did not know why it was pink, it's because it's a different kind of salt. It's not just regular table salt. And I'm going to go ahead and mix those together. And we're going to set this aside. We're going to come in with our other bowl, a larger bowl, and we're going to mix in all the more wet ingredients, right? So we're going to go ahead and add in our brown sugar, our cane sugar, okay, I'm going to mix that together. And I'm going to go ahead and do this all by hand, so I'm not going to use a blender or a mixer or anything like that to help. So it's all elbow grease in this one, baby. So this is the consistency you want to see between both sugars. You want to blend them as evenly as possible. And then I'm going to add in my egg. I have 2 eggs. Be careful not to get any eggshells in your concoction. I'm going to add in our softened butter. To get the butter soft like this, you can always let it sit out of the refrigerator. And by the way, this is actually Earth to Home vegan butter. So this is, if anybody who preferred not to have the traditional butter, that is a good alternative in using butter. And we're going to go ahead and what you call creaming it together. Oops, almost forgot vanilla extract. Yeah, a teaspoon of that. Alrighty, it looks like I got it mixed in pretty well. And it consistently looks like that. Now what we're gonna do here is go ahead and add in our flour little by little. To this point here, you want it pretty thick, like this, like doughy like. And at this point, you can add anything like peanut butter, M&M's, nuts, or chocolate chips in this case. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. That's about a half a bag. And mix it in. And now you have cookie dough. That. Alrighty. You finish with your cookie dough. You get your cookie sheet or a pan or something like that. I got a pizza pan because it's pretty big and I'm gonna have a lot of cookies on here. So I do have other pans, by the way, but I chose to use this one. So you want to get it greased up. I use Earth the Home butter to grease it, and here we go. And made almond chocolate chip cookies as well with the last bit of batter I had in the bowl. Mix about 6 more. Alright, let's go bake. Alright y'all, I am done baking and I baked a lot y'all. So I'm done baking and this is the end result. These are my cookies. I think these are bigger. I made my first batch. It didn't come out as great because I had them too close. But the second batch did come out better and I made them bigger. As you probably can see, they're way bigger. And also, I've made cookies in so long, so it, you know, to get back into the group, you gotta make more than one batch, you know. So I noticed I need to add more flour, which I did so with the second batch, and also added some protein powder in here as well. Some vegan protein powder, which kind of looks like that. If I try that, this stuff is awesome, man. Love it. If you want to add some nutrients and vitamins to your cookies, and you don't even know or taste it, try that one. It's great. I love it. I swear by it. And it's not a sponsored video, it's by any means, but I love that brand. Okay, but here's my cookies. Hope you enjoyed this video. And like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so every time I put out an awesome video, you'll be notified. And make sure to go ahead and head over to my online store, softlush.com, and enter in your email to get 10% off of all new arrivals only. And if you want me to make you some cookies, I'll make some for you. Just go ahead and inbox me and I will make some cookies for you fresh and I will ship it to you immediately after they are made. So, bye.